All right, this is Michael Farmer. Today going to be cooking. I started my new channel, so thank y'all for coming by and watching this. I'm going to be making some spicy pineapple. Well, these are Cornish hens. They chickens. You could do chickens, but I'm doing Cornish hens. So these are two Cornish hens I got as a manager special for $4.20 a piece. These are my ingredients. It's going to be some Worcestershire sauce, kosher salt, buttermilk, olive oil, garlic powder, soy sauce, and pineapples. And I poured the juice off into the cup here, and some ginger. And I have my own spice out my own garden, so that's where the spice comes from. This is ghost peppers, Carolina Reapers, Thai peppers, bell peppers, all kind of hot peppers in here. This is the hot sauce. The seasoning that I make for my customers and clients. So I'm going to be using that on this chicken. So I have all these ingredients, and I'm going to show you. If you haven't been following my channel, I have Asian family members, and I'm going to show you how they butterfly their chickens. People do it differently. Certain cultures does it a different way. So I'm going to do it the Asian way. So a lot of people turn the back over, but we're going to butterfly it from the breast part. So bear with me, and I'm by myself, so I'm going to do this. I don't have a production. This is new to me. So we start off here. Come with your scissors. I don't know if you can see me. Yes, you can see me. And we're going to cut it this way, down the breast side. Kind of tricky, but it's doable. And this is how you're going to butterfly, just like that. Most people do it from the back and it go up to the back part, but my family members do it from the front. It's kind of hard when you don't have sharp scissors, but I got it. All right. And this is how they butterfly it. So you open it up like that, and it looks like this when you put it down. Boom. And there you go. So now I'm going to wash my hands because I don't like touching the chicken and then touching certain things. So I'm going to wash my hands a little bit. Just rinse them off. Keep you some paper towels and just going to wipe it off. Now you go with a little bit of olive oil over it. That's how I'm going to season olive oil. Give it a nice, because I'm going to turn it over. I just want to do it one time. Kosher salt. You're not going to use a lot of salt in this, but kosher salt is one of the salts that you need to use. I'm going to sprinkle some over. Give it a generous, because I'm going to turn it over. I just don't want to keep touching the chicken and touching my bottles and my seasoning. Some people would have put this in a bowl, but I didn't do that, being lazy. So I'm just going to sprinkle it over like that. Run a little bit of soy sauce on it, top. It's going to be a marinade. This is going to sit in the refrigerator for about 2 to 3 hours. I'm going to come hit it with some garlic powder. Nice generous, because I'm going to do both sides, but I'm not going to keep touching these spice things. And then I'm going to come back with a little bit of ginger, powdered ginger. You can use fresh ginger, but I'm having powder, so things that people can do. And that ginger is going to make that sweet pineapple juice come into play. Now, this is optional. If you want to use it, you can use it. I don't have that much of it, so I'm going to put, a little Worcestershire sauce on it. Not a lot. And then I'm going to come and hit it with my own little spice seasonings. Matter of fact, I'm going to put this in a bowl because I want that seasoning to go through. Just going to pour that in the bowl because I don't want to cross-contaminate my seasoning. So I'm going to put enough to get it here. So now you're going to sprinkle your seasoning over this, just like this. Get it all over it, because be generous with it, because this is actually going in the marinade. So now, just going to turn it over, give it a nice massage. Get a nice massage. So, it's in a tray. I got it in a tray. Gonna put it down there, get that oil in there in the body cavity. All right, and it's gonna just get it there. Then I'm gonna sprinkle some more of this hot pepper all in here, all over the chicken inside. Me and my wife, we like the spicy kick of this here. Rub that in, give it a nice massage, and then we're gonna give it a bath, which is a marinade, and I'll show you in a few minutes how to do that. All right, let me just wash my hands a little more. Look there, touching that chicken. Have a little soap here. Don't like touching chicken and touching things, cross contamination. So now I'm gonna move this out the way. Wipe down this counter real quick with this rag. Move that out the way. Now I'm bringing in where I'm gonna actually put this in a bath. Remove both chickens. Pour 1 cup of buttermilk on top of that chicken. Bring the other chicken, turn it the other way. Lay that down. Pour that juice that's off the tray right in there. Right in. Get it all that good deliciousness in there. All right. Making a mess, but that's okay, because I'm not a professional chef. I'm just a person that cooks for himself and his family. I just like to clean as I go a lot of times. It's a little OCD-ish thing about me. Gonna put a little bit of more seasoning in here, and I'm gonna come over and drizzle this with more seasoning. All right. Gonna come back with another cup of buttermilk. Now, 3 cups of, matter of fact, 3 cups of buttermilk is fine. Use the buttermilk for some biscuits later on. Now, put a can of the crushed pineapples in. Gonna put that in there. And the buttermilk and the pineapple is gonna give it all them good, delicious. And the pineapple and the buttermilk is gonna make the chicken, the Cornish hen here, tender. All right, not going to use the rings until later when it cooks. Going to pour a little bit of this. I got a cup and a half of pineapple juice. Going to actually pour some of this juice on top of that. Pour that back in there. And this is going to sit in the refrigerator. What time is it now? It's 4:25. I'm going to wrap this up, and I'm going to sit in the refrigerator for the next 3 hours. And then I'm going to actually show you the cook and how it's going to come out, and I'll be back. So this is what it looks like, and I'm going to wrap it and put it in the refrigerator for 3 hours. You can leave it overnight. 24 hours would be nice. And we're going to get this spicy pineapple chicken Cornish hen done. It's not chicken, but you can actually use chicken. You use chicken legs. I prefer dark chicken parts if you don't have the whole chicken. Do chicken legs and stuff like that, and wings. That will come out nice. So that's the reason why you use the pineapple. Make sure that breast is tender and when you cook it down. All right. And I'm making with that extra juice that's over here, I'm going to make a pineapple glaze to go on top of it when it's finished with the pineapple rings. Take care. Okay, I'm back with the chicken. The pineapple chicken has been sitting in there right now for 3 hours. Now I'm going in here. I have my pan, my cookie sheet. So I'm gonna pull the chicken out from the sink. All right. Let the excess drip off. Sit one right there. Let the excess drip off because I don't want too much. I want it crispy. All right. I'm gonna take those pineapple chunks, and put it right under. I'm gonna go with my hand, pull those pineapple chunks. I want the pineapple flavor to go through the chicken, so the way it's in the cavity is just like if you did an apple. So I'm gonna take that pineapple and put it right under the chicken. All right, that's it. Pour this out, this buttermilk out mixture. Just like to clean as I go. Oh, it smells. Oh, hot too. Woo. That's when you know. Oh. Let me not choke my own self out with my own seasoning. So there you go. That is peppery. It's going to be a spicy chicken. Gonna take Reynolds wrap, aluminum foil. Gonna put it like so. Gonna take several pieces for this one to do because I don't have the long one. I have this size. Gonna put this in the oven for about an hour and 40 minutes at 375, and we should be back. All right. Okay, I'm back with that coconut pineapple, spicy pineapple Cornish hen. It was the chicken, but I'm using Cornish hens. I'm coming back, so let me show you. I got half an hour left on that cook. Well, 27 minutes left on cook. Let me pull it out and show you what I've done. Okay, I brung it out. I'm just gonna not put this hot. It just came out the oven. So if you see it, that's what it looked like. I used the pineapples, put a pineapple, it's starting to brown. And now I'm gonna go, this is, like I said, this show here is my twist, Micro Farmer's Twist. I had some, when I went to Kentucky, Homestead, I purchased this mango preserve, a jam they had. So I'm thinking pineapple mango, right? So I then put some in here with a pineapple, let it sit here, and now I'm gonna coat this with that pineapple mix. Just gonna pour that over for the last 27 minutes of the cook. Just gonna give it a little bit, move that pineapple back, spread that out right over that chicken. Just let it cook and brown in. The sugar's gonna actually, brown in, and hopefully it tastes delicious with some jasmine rice that I have over here. So break that up, put another piece of pineapple there. Can't be wrong with no pineapple, right? Should have slathered some bacon on here, would have been no problem. So yeah, so that's what it looks like, people. That's the pineapple, spicy pineapple Cornish hens. This is Cornish hens, so I might just make this as a pineapple spicy Cornish hens. And you see the pineapples in. I like that tropical flavor. I know Hawaiians and the Asians make pineapple chicken and stuff like this. So this is pineapple Cornish hens, and I'm hoping to turn out nicely. I'm just copycatting what I see my people do. So there we go. I'll be right back in about a half an hour. This is what it looks like, people. All right, see you in a little bit. All right, it's Micro Farmer back with the final results of the spicy pineapple Cornish hens. I have some jasmine rice, and let's go ahead and see if we can look at the way this chicken looks. This is beautiful, y'all. Do you see it? I'm gonna turn around. I just got our stove. Hold up. There we go. That is my spicy pineapple Cornish hens, and it toasted up nicely. And I have some white jasmine rice inspired by Asians dish. Normally it's chicken, pineapple, spicy chicken, pineapple, whatever. But I did the Cornish hens because I found 2 Cornish hens for sale for $4.20. So right there, that's a dinner right here under 20, not even under 20 bucks, okay? $9. It was 2 for $3 of the thing, so that's 8, 9, 10, 11. And the rice already had, so basically this is a dinner under $15. This can feed a family of 4 to 5. I mean, rice already had, we already keep rice in the house always. So those 2 chickens cost me $8.40. And I had 2 cans of pineapples for $3. So 8 and 3, that's $11 right there. So, and the rice already had, so there you go. You can feed a family under $15. So let's get into it. Let me go ahead and get a knife. cut into half, come down. There you go. I know it's hot, so I'm not, so here we go. That's right there. There go the dish, y'all. Right there, that's the dish. And do y'all can see it? So I can't see it myself, so do you see it? It's a beautiful dish right here. Awesome. I mean, it's a Cornish hen, have the pineapple. Now, let me go in for the taste test. Fork. Go get a knife. Let's see how, even if it pulls apart. There you go, pulls apart with just a fork. So the pineapple's right there. Let's see the cook. There you go. Let's go ahead to the Cornish hen. Let's go. Get us a piece right here. Cooked all the way through. Oh, I'm telling you. Some of y'all wish y'all lived next to me. The spice kicked in with the sweet. And it just came out the oven. Don't need no butter on the rice, but some people put butter and sugar on the rice. But if you put sugar on the rice, you don't need to. All you gotta do is just lay some of that pineapple right there, and you got pineapple rice. So you take the pineapple and go down with that jasmine rice, and you get your sweetener. You don't need to do nothing else to this. It's spicy. The spices, with the sugar, the sweetness, you can't get no better, y'all. Let me see if I can go back here. I was out of cameraman. You can't get no better than this, y'all. This is an awesome dinner, y'all. That's Michael Farmer's version of spicy Cornish hen, pineapple Cornish hen, y'all. Let me take this. So let me get it. Here we go. You can call that pineapple rice, but that's jasmine rice with the pineapple chicken, y'all. It's a beautiful dinner, y'all. And it's spicy, just the right nice spice. My spice blend is perfect. It is almost, oh my God, like jerk chicken, but it's a little hotter than jerk chicken. But with the pineapple and the rice, cuts that heat to it being perfect. Not burning your mouth, not burning your lips. Just perfect heat, y'all. Thank y'all for so much. This is Michael Farmer. God bless you. This is Michael Farmer. Pineapple chicken, Cornish hen.